Hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum. So, today we are going to talk about Cracking India by Bapsi Sidhwa. Cracking India is a novel by Bapsi Sidhwa that talks about partition of subcontinent which was faced by millions of people. Uh, they witnessed how a line was drawn on their land and their land was divided into two. They had an emotional attachment with the land because for them a land was more like a mother. And when they saw that their mother was snatched, so it had a bad effect on their mind. They felt the pain, they were hurt, um, and they succumbed to so many problems. Uh, Wherein you will find the identity crisis, the impact of partition on their lives, both physically and psychologically. Clear? So the novel talks about partition, talks about identity crisis, and it beautifully narrates the story of the partition by a young child, a small young child whose name is Lenny. Clear? So Lenny is basically the narrator of this novel. The novel has two settings. One was before partition took place, and one after the partition. Right? So. Sidhwa, Bapsi Sidhwa actually shows that before partition, different communities and religions they live in harmony. Clear? So no matter if you are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, or whatever, they all were living together happily. They had harmony. They had love with one another, and everything was quite calm and okay. There was like Sidhwa also shows that Muslims and Hindus could even fall in love with each other. Um, like there is a girl, a Hindu girl, Shanta, and she was desired by a group of her admirers, which consist both Muslims and Sikh, clear, and Hindu as well. So Sidhwa actually shows that these people belonging to different communities they interacted with each other on a normal level. Human relations were quite okay there. They lived like friends. Clear. Lenny, through Lenny, she describes that the harmony between Aya, Shanta, and her admirers. And The love among them is shown in this novel. Clear? Um, After partition, Sidhwa was actually very genius, and she keenly observed her surroundings. Uh, she's neither a Muslim nor Sikh, she's Parsi. Um, she observed all the things as a third person, clear, and did not show any biased thing. Since she was neither Muslim nor Hindu, so she couldn't have favored either of them. Um, she was living among all communities and observed the nature, all the religions and their followers individually. Clear? Um, she was looked after by Shanta, who was Hindu. Her kitchen was in control of a Muslim, whereas some Hindus were also working there. Her parent had friendly relation with Sikh family, so she knew very well the nature of all the religions. Um, when the partition occurred, uh, she saw the destruction and bloodshed with her own eyes. Um, so she beautifully narrates that the community which were living as brothers, as close friends, uh, how they got separated, and the impact that brought this division is actually shown in this novel, right? Thank you very much. We will discuss the other themes in the next lecture.